Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Today we will learn how to make phone numbers callable in Google Sheets on Backspace. So let's get started. At first you have to open your spreadsheet. Now you can see here some company management data and here the name of company, employee, position, address and her numbers. Now you can create a link to click this link and automatically call this employee. Now we go to make this. Here we can see here the formula. Now I apply this formula, this cell. At first press equal to, then write hyperlink, then add the first bracket, then double apostrophe comma and type your number cell, otherwise click the number. Now we type again, write hyperlink, then add the first bracket and double apostrophe comma and write tail, then write clone and write the number 2658985655. Then again type double apostrophe comma and type comma, then again type double apostrophe and write the call, then again write double apostrophe and end the first bracket, then enter. And we can see here the callable link. You can click this and automatically call the number. Now we can see we make the phone number callable very easily. I hope you understand this process. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video at first. Thanks for watching.